Hey there guys, it's Koala Man 130 here from the Lone Wolves Clan, and I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to install and play custom zombie maps for the PC version of Call of Duty World at War. Excuse me. And yeah, freaking my computer just switched to basic theme. I don't know why it does that. It's saying that my computer's running slow, but it ran just fine recording with Arrow, I mean. But we're just going to ignore it, so let's get started. You're going to go to your browser here. And shut up, I don't care. And we're going to type in customcod.com. So, this is a website. It's kind of a forum website. You can post all your Call of Duty stuff. But you have to make an account. And trust me, it's a great site. I would use it because it's just a free account, all downloads you want, unlimited, you know, it's just terrific. So, I'm going to sign in here. Okay. So, go to downloads. This is how you download it. Click on World at War. Call of Duty World at War maps. Nazi zombie maps. You can see there's 242. That's quite a bit. So let's go into it. Cool. Alright. So then it goes from most recent to not. So the most recent is Musty. I guess that'll be fine with me to download, and I don't know why it's loading so slowly right now. Wow. It's weird. Let's go back. There we go. I don't know what was going on with that. But, okay, so you got descriptions and stuff. You got comments telling people, you know, all that crap. Alright, so let's download it. All you gotta do is click download up here. And there it is. It's going to take a little while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the recording and I'll be back once the download is complete. Okay, so once you're done downloading it, you're going to go to where you downloaded to. I downloaded mine to downloads. Alright, so now we need to extract this folder. It's in a zip folder. You can use this one, which is the built-in extractor for Windows 7, but I definitely wouldn't recommend it. What I recommend is using 7-zip. You can download it and install it. It's a freeware software, and it is just terrific for extracting any kind of files. Okay, so you're going to right-click on it, go down to 7-zip, extract files. Now, this is really important. I don't know why it is, but it's super duper important. You click on the browse and go to desktop. You have to extract them to your desktop. I seriously have no idea why, but you do. I've tried extracting it to my just downloads folder and stuff like that, other than my desktop, and it doesn't work. So go ahead and do that. Okay, let's exit this. Now it's going to create two folders here. Nazi Zombie, that's the Nazi Zombie Musty, and a README. Now this README has instructions in it, but not all READMEs do. So I'm going to show you anyway. But we don't need the README at all, so we're just going to throw that in the recycle bin. Okay, so in this folder we have a bunch of different files. Missing asset doesn't really matter, but it just is there. I don't know. So we got mod arena, mod ff. You're going to have multiple ff files and one or two IWDs. Mostly one, I think, is the main thing. But we don't need to worry about that. All we need to worry about is the folder, which is really nice. Kind of makes things more simple. I'm going to put that up there, just out of the way. Okay, so now we need to go to a place called App Data. Go to the start menu, go into the search bar and type %appdata %. You'll come up with roaming here. You can just hit enter, since that's the only option. So roaming is where they store all your Minecraft stuff, your Adobe stuff, different game stuff, and see my Razer drivers right here. My Sony stuff is from Vegas Pro. Yeah, just a bunch of stuff is stored here. But we don't want to be in roaming. We need to be in local. So we're going to go up to the address bar here, and it's going to show your username and all that jazz. So you're going to click app data. Alright, now you're going to go to local. It could be in local low, but it really usually isn't. So you're going to go to local, and then here's the folder you want to be in, Activision, and then COD WoW. Alright, so I have a mods folder here because I created it. You're not going to have one most likely, so all I need to do is right click and go to new folder and name it mods. No caps, and that's it, just straight up mods. But I already have it, so why would I do that? I don't know why. So I'm just going to delete the new folder that was made. So go into your mods folder. So you can see I've already got 4 custom maps. So you're just going to click the folder and move it into here. See, Nazi Zombie Musty is now in here. So that is all you need to do for your desktop portion. So now I'm going to go into World at War and show you how to do it the rest of the way. Okay, so here we are at the Call of Duty World at War main menu. Now this is all you do to launch the mod. You go to mods, Nazi Zombie Musty, the one you downloaded, and then you click launch. Now I can't click it because I'm recording, because it exits the game and then reboots it. And if I record while doing that, it's just going to screw everything up. So like I said, just click launch right here. I'm going to do it after I stop the recording. Alright, here we are. So that's pretty cool because it comes with its own mod, and that usually doesn't happen. Game mode, Nazi Zombies, Nazi Zombie Musty. That's how you do. This is how you set up a. So it comes with its own mod screen and all that stuff, and it looks really cool. Even its own song. I like this kind of music, so. Okay, so that's how you play solo right here. Just click on Nazi Zombie Musty solo. And if you want to play cooperative, just go to cooperative, host LAN, game setup, game mode, Nazi Zombies, Nazi Zombie Musty. Okay, so there we go. Now you can start the match once you get your friends to join in right here. Now I'll just start the solo game here. So here we go. It's even got its own loading screen. That's really nice. A lot of them just show the Activision. So I'm glad this one has its own. So as you can see here, it's loading up the game just fine. And here we go. We're in the game. And I guess this is where you start out on.
Imagine that. We need to turn the power on. How original.
That's really quite a weird place to start because it is hey, look, Adolf. That's not Adolf Hitler. But I think it's just a weird place to start because you start by an S to G and Speed Cola. It's guns that usually aren't found until later on in the game. I'm not going to play a lot of this, just showing you that it works. And this is how you do it. Okay, now some mods, which I will show you right now. I'm going to quit this mod. Some mods require a different approach on launching it. So I'm going to show you that mod. I'm going to have to, let's see. Like Skate Park. We're going to click launch on this mod, and I'm going to show you how to launch mods that aren't as sophisticated as this. Okay, so here we are in the Skate Park mod, and as you can see, there's no way to launch it normally. So here's how you play a cooperative one. You just go to host LAN like normal, game setup, Nazi Zombies, Nazi Zombie Skate Park. You don't have to do anything special to launch it in a cooperative game. But if you want to play solo, you have to do something a little special here. Go to options and click on game options. Make sure this right here, enable console, is ticked to yes. Now once that's done, I just go to my mod so I know what exactly to type in. You're going to hit the tilde. It's right next to the 1 key, and it's above the tab. And a lot of people call it squiggly, and that's what I call it. So I'm going to call it squiggly from now on. Hit the squiggly, and it'll come up with, this is the top. So you're just going to type what I type in. Map, space, and then you type in the mod exactly as it's placed. So see right here it says Nazi _zombie _skate _park. You're just going to type that in. So you're going to type in map, Nazi underscore zombie. Oh, I didn't put an underscore, gosh dang it. Underscore zombie underscore skate underscore park. And then just hit enter. And there it goes. It's launching it. And I'll let it load and I'll show you a little bit of the skate park. Click the start mission. See, obviously, it's a skate park. Alright, so this has been Koala Man 130 from the Lone Wolves Clan. And I'm going to be making more of my reviews of these custom maps. I just got a request to show how to put them on your computer and to make them work. And I had problems with it myself, so I thought I would. Alright, so again, this has been Koala Man 130 from the Lone Wolves Clan. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.